Hey there, welcome to today's video where we dive into a common problem that many tech users might face. Imagine you're trying to transfer a massive 100 gigabytes game file from your laptop to your SATA SSD using a USB 3.0 connector. And instead of getting the blazing fast speeds you were expecting, you're stuck at a disappointing 40 MBs. Frustrating, right? This issue persists across different laptops and USB 3.0 setups, leaving you scratching your head about what could be causing this bottleneck in your transfer speeds. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key culprit here is the fact that your drive is connected through a USB bridge controller, which may prevent trim commands from reaching your SSD. Without trim, the SSD can't efficiently manage deleted files, leading to slow write speeds as it struggles to find available blocks for writing. This bottleneck becomes more prominent when you repeatedly copy and delete large files, causing the SSD's garbage collection process to lag behind and resulting in those frustratingly slow transfer speeds. And voila, that's the solution. In summary, if you're experiencing sluggish transfer speeds when copying large files to your SATA SSD via a USB 3.0 connector, the lack of trim support through the USB bridge controller could be the main culprit. This leads to inefficient management of deleted files and slows down the SSD's write speeds, especially when dealing with hefty files and frequent deletions. So, keep this in mind next time you're facing a similar issue. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy transferring!